Here's the first method. Go to your File Explorer, click this three dot, open Options, select View. Under Advanced Setting, you have to scroll down and find out this Show Sync Provider Notifications. So we have to uncheck this option. Click on Apply, click on OK. This will stop to show ads in your File Explorer. And here's the second method. Go to your computer settings. In Settings, go to System, click on Notifications. Under Notification, click this drop down, choose Name. Scroll down and find out those apps you want to stop ads from. So in my case, I'm going to turning off all ads from autoplay, from Discord, from Mail, and Microsoft Store. After doing this, scroll down and click on Additional Settings. In here, we have to uncheck all of these options to turn off all ads. So uncheck Get Tips and Suggestions when using Windows. Uncheck Suggest ways to get the most out of Windows and finish setting up this device. Also uncheck this option, show the Windows welcome experience after updates and when signed in to show what's new and suggested. And here's the third method. From your settings, you have to go to Personalization, then click on Device Usage. In here, we have to turn off all of these options. So we can see, select all the ways you plan to use your device to get personalized tips, ads, and recommendations within Microsoft experiences. So all you have to need, turn off all of these options to completely disable ads. And here's the last method. Go to Privacy and Security. Go to General. And here we have to turn off all of these options. And after doing all of these steps, now on, you won't get any kind of ads on your computer. Thanks for watching.